Kani kedai keduda Shan Meghalaya bani pediang semua bahai pi baro syakatuk kubor metaga janmin. Syuaban pai syiki kubor giba beniak ini page syuaya kimat berkongsan. Pediang semua bah usembut Menteri Rangba Gejala ubak seniau bhalang dhar ya kibakwa banwan yakun election nanar tiang. Kajing penmi kau hagajala kalong kababyang wad hapedeng kijing kala kamaryang ong menteri karep karyang Timothy Shira. Lapin sangi no ya ka public hearing jongka Shri Semen na kajing ki persya ha East China Hills. Bat penlong jengakran Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi bat President ka Cyprus Nikos Christodoulides ha New Delhi. Mentangin ya pai syua syaki kubor na keleng gejala. Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad Ki Sangma ula penlong ya gejinyalang CM Connect Hatura hakaba ki nongshong shnong kilala ban penpau ya kijing gijongki hakabaya dei bat ki surok kinala bat ki we gijing ula batha igitanat bagen pej igini gijing bat kular ba anbudin ula ong ba kathong jong kani ka program kalong ban ailad igipaj ba banyakren markmat bat ka sarkar halor gijing gejongki ban kular ban pen urlong lut ya baro gijing dawa ula pen pauru ba kipait ba kila ban phun ha number iwe khandai nyo iwe ban ujor ya gijing bat pen poipat syakitnat ki badai khmi.
As a government, Shillong Secretariat pa tangtani office asonge sehingga nanggap pa governance ko mamang salabaw na matjawa. Governance is for the people. Governance is public na sa. Dapat chief minister ba, officer rang ba, CEM, MDC rang ba, lakan. Atang kani responsibility position of amsake public na kamko kaina. Undi kaman public ada mai ko chansinga. Public ni problem ada mai nak panik nekani ko public sagrunginga. Ya communication tung just kalde. Aru ya chul ko ansu public na just kalde. Mamung salaba ansun namgapa public oriented governance ko chini ko na machawa.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad Ki Sangma mentagasi ulabu ya umau nongrim banshna penbha ya kayo najing kajaka penyangkali babun mala bat kayeng cinema hada gopgre bat kumju banshna penthama ya ka SMELC complex Hatura hapo kini ki project ankantop ya ki dukan kijaka penyangkali ki cinema hall kijaka shongde madan bat bante ya ka youth center ka museum kajaka lekai na kabenta ki khenaret bat ka active aging center na kabenta ki balano karta. Konrad Ki Sangma ula pelaj paj baru ya ka municipal mobile app bat sam ya ka song pisa syakinong ruai bat kinong tem nong pun ula IT ru ya ka core CCTV bat penbna ya ka kusnam na ka benta kisnong ki bajab ha ka khuit ka suba nolor kani ula samru ya ki street light syakisnong.
Namgapa active aging center ang buhat sungo. Active aging center ang mai. Active aging center is nothing but an activity space for senior citizens. Uni otude ya active aging center ora games khatna senior citizens rangna. Aro small say health benefits na physiotherapy, stretching, yoga. Ya nakapa basic exercise khatna. Aro nakapa care ko bas sakani ko na dalo turau ba Shillong ba so piaprang dongja aida sobra antani level ka ingin group rang injurang ndepa organize or systematic or large scale dongja inga unega ba nga bijo ha Singapore cha on official trip unoha actually nurse rang ko ha drop ka ba turau ni ba nurse sa dongachin Throughout the means Karo Hills only, I think not Karo Hills. There were nurse from Kutok Panayanga.
Lapin sange no ya ka public hearing halor kaching tmu jangka Shri Cement ban pentrekam ya ka project di motion ha lum Salman East China Hills hadin gajing yakhi jangki kan hon Traymon Snobha ki nong rep bat ki trai khndo ki baya kam trai mar kelyang hapdeng ka elaka nongkhle bat ka elaka sutanga kalami ka huri hura hapdeng ki kan hon bakirshan bat ki kan hon ki bapirsha kabala penlong ya ki board district ban pensange no ya ka hearing khnang ban light na kinu ki jingcha basngosi ka China National Council kala penrem ya ka rai jang ka sarkar halor kani ka project da ka bakno ba kam khen snap ya ka hok bat khndo jong ki trai jaka hashwa kani kala don ka jingsha thang jong ka we ka trok kabala khang lenti ya ki bapirsha ha ka shnong nong kli
Coming to this public hearing is not an easy way. We have been blocked all along the way. On the way to this public hearing, we have found like one as per will. They have those who are on the side of the Shri Cement. They have burned that vehicle. We from the JNC, we condemn our Home Minister, who asked us to come to this public hearing to share our ideology and to share to hear our voice, but actually he is remaining silent on the of the farmer and the landowner who the Shri Cement are trying to chase their land by force. So we are really sad to see why the government is remain silent. In Lapangap, we have seen the Assam try to chase our land, but in here in Elaka Nongkhle, the Shri Cement, with the protection of the government, trying to chase our land. So we really condemn the government and our Honorable Chief Minister. So our protest will not be stopped only here. We'll continue our agitation till the farmer and the landowner get their right.
The District Administration and Pollution Control Board try to start the public hearing, but in the middle of the public hearing, people both sides, even from opposed side and support side, they don't feel comfortable, especially from the opposed side, just because of the land dispute of the Elaka Nongkhle and Elaka Setengah. So how could government, how could Pollution District Administration proceed forward with dispute land? How could they proceed public hearing in dispute land? This is not acceptable. As you all know that when land is disputed, they should solve the land first and then announce the public hearing. Otherwise, if the government proceed forward, there is something will happen in this area, I could say, because people from Elaka Setengah also they didn't accept this before they start this public hearing, so they didn't feel comfortable. This is the message to the government of Meghalaya. If you want peace, if you want to go legally with this public hearing, they should first solve this land dispute.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gejala uba senior Bhalangdhar ulap tiang Snobha ya baro kibakwa banwan yakun election nana tiang constituency kentop ya uhe keseng VPP uba Arden Miller Basayomon kani gejing kren jeng kalami hapdeng gejing yakun keseng NPP bat keseng VPP ban yo ya gejing chap haka election chiteng samoy jeng kesilong parliamentary ulapan pauru halor gejing nangkio keseng BJP hagajala daka baong ba ke BJP kadon la ka chong kanong rim kat ba keseng NPP kan yai beteng ban trei lai luit marwe ban pen klan ye ki kam san himasima hagajala.
We are preparing it very well, and also we are trying to work very hard to make sure that at least Dr. DR tang ko nga nang kakondusi jo nga na penyelek ununu bakwa namla kan why do you need to seek permission from me? I am not the owner of that kondusi, I am the MLA of that kondusi. Anybody who can come, no problem. You see, there is no challenge at all in 2028. The people of the state, they know whom to vote, where to vote. Working with BJP together is, you know very well, the ideology is different, point number one. And of course, we'll be getting development from the central governments. On behalf of BP, I request you to buy from the state.
Menteri Bakmi Ekatanat Karep Karyang Utimoti di Shira, Ula Ong Ba Kajing Pen Mikau, Hagajala Meghalaya Kalong Kababiang, Wada Pedeng Gijing Kala Kamaryang, Kibala Ban Kata Ya Karep Karyang. Ula Ong bagi kamrep Kiyai Beteng Hakeleng Gejala, Bat Kentaj Halor Gijing Keno Ba Kajing Nangyar, Kasor, Kala Penduna Ya Kijakarem. Halor ki kamrep sensar, Ushira Ula Ong Balawan Ra Ya Ka MSP Banyadai Kinong Rep, Hagajing Syak Knyot Hakador Kamur. Ula pentik naru baga jing yap klam jengki dieng kuai kalakta yaki kamrep kuai haki benta jongka South West Khasi Hills hakaba nakaliang ki Bor District ki dangdum jingken halor ki jing du nong.
Cultivation of rice depends on flesh to flesh. Nongstrung area and this Jantia Hills in many parts of Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills. Climate is cold, so production is not good. They are doing the cultivation, no doubt, so with the help of this fertilizer, that fertilizer, but the fertility of the land is different. Here in Khasi Janti Hills, the fertility of the land is very, very poor. So they cannot produce rice. They produce rice, no doubt, but not up to the mark. No decrease, no increase. Because they are cultivating the same area of land and same method. Even if they try to improve it also, you see, due to this climatic condition, you see, they cannot improve it.
No, what I'm saying.
Organic farming is initiated by the government. See, no fertilizer is a chemical fertilizer issue. People are trying to avoid this chemical fertilizer. They are using only this bio fertilizer and natural.
Lapen long ya kejinyalang SSP COS Conference Arajar Arpun Rio Hatura haringkat kejinyadan lang Menteri Rang Bak Gejala Ukonrat Ki Sangma bat ka DGP Ida Shisha Nongrang ban penlet jingmut halor ki kamyada ban te lakam ye ki kampentriem bat kiwe ka DGP kala ong ba ha kani kejinyalang lekren halor ki jingtmu ban te lakam ya gijingdi benbuad ki kam thombor ye ki kenthei bat ki khlung khna ki kam khayi be an ha gi jaka khaput ki jingwan rung be an bat ki kam Cingtei na kabenta kibor pulin. Shushu kalama hamru ba ka Meghalaya kala nang ki ustad ba ha ka jingdon kinong pendon kam ya udrok bat kala ong ba kibor pinyat kidang pinyor halor gajing persyang kiseng le no ban pin KM ya ki kam pentrim.
Major issues were what has happened with the anti-terror squad, the progress made with the drive against narcotics. Not only working together with the DREAM project, but also with the other stakeholders, the crime trends in the state, the infrastructure projects that are going on, the need to use intelligence, AI and make it technology-driven policing, especially in view of the Prime Minister's directions, and more we should leverage technology wherever possible to make it to ensure that we are able to more effectively meet our policing goals. That was a large part of the conversation. We had sessions on the police manpower, we had sessions on crime, we had sessions on technology, what we have implemented so far, what we intend to do, and what has come to us from various schemes of the government of India, and what is the kind of support we are looking for from them. Basically, what we would like the state government to, while they have been very supportive of the role of the policing and ensuring that policing goes the last mile. We walk the last mile today, but various things that are related to policing and ensuring that we make Meghalaya much more safe and more, not only for the public at large, but specifically for very vulnerable sections of society, whether it's women, whether it's children.
Ka East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Welfare Association kaladawa ban pentamai ya kabai kali hadian kejing kiodor jong ka umpniang petrol na kadaw katma hapedeng ka US bat Iran. U President kaseng uba wandon bok jerwa ula ong ba kaseng shen kan say kendo ya kinong penyat katanat transport ban penpau ya kejing don kam ban penkiu ya kabai kali namar kejing kiodor jong ka umpniang bat kat kumbala yakun. Hakaway pat kalyang kayeng bishar kalaweng no ya kamukot duma persya ya Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles kabala mudoy ha usnem arajar arpuway kabala yaki persya haluar gejingkiw dor ko umpnyang. Uba jerwa ulaong bakaseng kalayo ya kahok hadian bun snem bat ay kubleru ya kayeng bishar haluar kani karay.
Mantasngi nakaliang kejongi ngilayo ya ka yung job hakaba nakaliang ka yang keseri kala pengkut no ya kini ka kis habi day bat ka jeng sengek kamai kejongi men haus nam ajar apoi nak kenal ke jengkiu ke umpnyang ngatrai pinang ya kenmau he ke jeng sengek jongi ban kamai haus nam ajar apoi ru kamdei bang ba ngi le songsit le da kaman soba nak kenal ba ngimak suban ya ban kamai nakam lolong nak kamim kata hukum kamai hukum keji nak kenal ke jengkiu ke umpnyang nak kesngi sekesngi Mentas ngi pada ngilayo ya ka jengjob hakaba nakaliang ka yeng bisa budan buram rengkat bat inong bisa ba budan buram ila ai ya ka judgment da ka ba ila penkut no ya kini ka case mentas ngi ila de benyong perkhat ya ki eki bro nama ba kini ka jengkiu ku mphang manta kam sem ka ya pher bar ka jengkiu mphang hagi house na mazar fuwe manta ka de ka jong partai hi bro ko we ka long global issue te nakaliang ka jongi hi mentang isu kerpat ek sarkar Basisin balaki wi kamphanyang ki essential community su laki yo marba mardi barka laki yo te nakaliang jongi hi kusang sukar pa ka sakar baka di perkhat lang no yang itu mar ngi ngi adon pa ka agreement bag government naduk por manswa bala da kakiyo kamphanyang sama perkhat lang yang ada ka hiar kamphanyang ngirungin penhiar ka baik kali kata ka dei ka jing ka jengi kran ka jongi kasang barka sakar na ka puasa
U Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy u Abhilash Baranwal mentakasi ula IT ya kakali kit nongpang syaka senjuk kirang ba shnong Karibhoy district ban yarab ya gejing syakri ha kaliang ka koi ka khia ha kathan la pelat pat ba ya kakali da gejing ka we lama ha circuit house nongpo haringkat gejing adon lang ki kli nong elam shnong bat ki pat ba kacing temu jong kani kasin jam kalong ban yarab iki nongpang ki badon kam kirki ban kit syaki jaka sumar ha kaleng ka district Nakaliang kinong yalam shnong kila ay kublay ki board district halor kani gejing ay chingaram. Ka Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association Nehuta kala pediang sngoba halor karai jong katanat puli puti jong ka sarkar pedeng bantung no da Vice Chancellor ubathamai nakabenta ka school ba Northeastern Hill University. Ka Nehuta kalapen pau ya gejing kermen bakani ka sinjam kan wan ra biang ya gejing yat bed yat renti hapo ka school ba halor gejing pentrekam ya ka FYUP katkum gejing betha ha ka NEP ka Nehuta kala ong ba ka school ba kampat de pentre pura bad ka ajing mud iki samla puli bakin yai peteng ya gejing puli master komba chulong
25. But I believe that looking at the scenario of Nehu, if they want, probably they can still get a VC ready by 26th of July. We must also point out that there is no provision of extension of any VC in our statute. Our statute clearly says that the day a tenure ends, the incumbent VC has to hand over it to the senior most professor who is available till the new VC assume office and enters upon his office in the headquarter of Nehu, Shillong. So that is very clear that come 25th, if we don't get a new VC, it will be the senior most professor who will run the university in the interim till the new VC is appointed and he comes and assumes his duty in the headquarter of Nehu. We said we will implement NEP at UG only when we are fully prepared. We were not fully prepared. We only had the first semester syllabus ready. Yet, Professor Shukla went ahead. More problematic is that I have problem is with the state of Meghalaya. You know, it has to be implemented by 2030. We want it to be implemented. So there was no hurry in 2023 when we are not ready. But you know, Professor Shukla, typical of his probably trying to please the ministry that I have done something because he did nothing anyway. So probably he wanted to score some brownie point by telling Delhi that see, you send me as a VC and I have implemented NEP at the UG level. Our own teachers have played their part in allowing Shukla to go ahead, and particularly I will blame the NEP implementation committee, who knew fully that this system is not ready yet.
Kador Bar Shnong Permadan kalalit banyakendu ya ka Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District kakong Anita Kharpur. Ban IT ya ka Dorcas ban kentu ban bu ya ka Forensic Unit ban tei ya ka Upis DMHO bat ban penbuon ya ki pulit ha ka district. Urang ba Shnong uba W solang ula ong ba gajing slam ki kenhuan forensic ban poi nadu nong ba Shillong bat gajing bombyang ki doktor specialist ha ka hospital kabadon hapo ka district kalakta ya gajing tokit bat wanra ya shibun gajing ka Deputy Commissioner kalapentikna bahkan sa penpoi ya kini gajing dawa shiki board ki bakham halor
isu ta kajikwa tip shibun gajing duna ha banang dei ka district ka bathamai ten rei menta ladap sansnem drusnem menta wada dei bau dei kulung ru la sedang melai school tenginom la sa ban suong badang thamai sedang thamai namar ba kajing don kam ke ban judge state namar ngej ban ngaliang jo government ru aswa ban punkar district umdei ba su punkar rumah kala don lupa la kajong ka budget la ni kajing perkat advance na kamta kajing bit jing biang ten rei ban su ai district yang isane klem la ban penbiang ta kajing don kam telalong kuma le beni kinong kam do kata gede ka jing penskau na kaliang jongi abangi layo panwan agani kasi gomenta bat kawairu kumban su bandap lupa kalong ba kumbenin ngilawan mi na po SP office abangi wan hang tu ngilayo i agi news baong ba ya ka SP lara haka office ka batmai ka bala pendep balayo la ka jong nginang perkat ba lalong ka babit pubiang andai nda lapoi hang tu pede nga tang supek nya plau ngala isene nga perkat bagi polis lada kidon hang tu watang ban salute ye ki han jong kiro kumno kinle aba la siang tu tang dok pendau sudah
mentangin ya pai shiki kubor na kalengga than chatei la mingi ka revival of Indigenous native games lani ka ring arhajar abhun rio basansngi kelas dang ha mapal kang jebung ha impal ban kentio bat penne pensa igi jajing le kaitan rai ha Manipur ha kani ka lempung bala penlong da ka Manipur Upliftment Center bat National Yuva Cooperative Society an sakhi ya gijing le ka yakob kum ka thangta sakul gangje UB lakpi mukna bat arambai hakabalawan ya shimbenta dikiken huan yelek kaitan rai bapher ka thong jangkani ka sinjam ka long ban pen pau yi gijing yelek kaitan rai ka Manipur shakiri bat shakal leng ka perthai war na kalengari Menteri Rang Badu Jangkari Narendra Modi bad President ka Cyprus Nikos Christodoulides kila penlong gajing kren ha New Delhi ha kabala phliu jingmud halor ka khayi pateng ki kam beting ka ki kam yadari ka technology ka puliputhi bad gajing trailang ha kalyang ka kolshor nalor kani layak renru halor gijing ha kathan bad ka perthai ha kaba ka Cyprus kala penbana ban pli ya ka office kam halor ka khayi pateng ha Mumbai bad kan airu ya gijing kirshan ya ka India ban yakon persha iki kam pentrim kinong trei kiloong ba ansasdang ban pentrei kam ya ka UPI ha Cyprus nadu usnam banwan khnang ban pensuk ya ka rukam siu pisa ha pedeng kini ki ari
Ladies and gentlemen, today भारत और यूरोप अपने संबंधों में एक नए स्वर्णिम युग में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं तो साइप्रस इस समय न केवल यूरोपियन यूनियन काउंसिल की अध्यक्षता कर रहा है बल्कि भारत और पूरे यूरोप के बीच एक महत्वपूर्ण इन्वेस्टमेंट गेटवे के रूप में उभर रहा है फ्रेंड्स साइप्रस भारत के टॉप 10 इन्वेस्टर्स में से एक है पिछले एक दशक में साइप्रस से भारत में निवेश लगभग डबल हुआ है दोनों देशों के बीच ट्रस्ट बढ़ा है। भारत यूरोपियन यूनियन फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट से तमाम नई संभावनाएं बनी हैं। इसका लाभ उठाते हुए हम अगले 5 वर्षों में इस इन्वेस्टमेंट को फिर से डबल करने का लक्ष्य रख रहे हैं।
Ki pulit ke Punjab kila kem ya unong patangkot halor ke jingkeno aba usentiat na ke benta ke Pakistan da ke bapendai ya ke kor CCTV ke bayaso bat ke internet ha ke benta ke surok National Highway basau pusau na patangkot syajamu ban sentiat halor ke jingya ki kali sipai bat ki kenhun pahara. Kibor badai kmi kila ong bala pen e-life ya ke jingtip syaki kenhun ISI ke Pakistan ha ke bala lap ksairu ya ki laingut ki badon ketilang.
ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਲ ਗ੍ਰਿਫਤਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ। ਇਹ ਪਠਾਨਕੋਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਹਾਈਵੇ 44 ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਪਠਾਨਕੋਟ ਤੋਂ ਜੰਮੂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੁਜਾਨਪੁਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਡਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਉਸ ਅੱਡੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਸੂਸੀ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਲਗਾਏ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਸੰਵੇਦਨਸ਼ੀਲ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਹਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਕੈਚ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਲਗਾਏ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਲ ਗ੍ਰਿਫਤਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਇਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਖਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਗਿੱਛ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ। ਪੁੱਛਗਿੱਛ ਉਪਰੰਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨਦੇਹੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਔਰ ਉਸ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਲੋਨ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਬੇਸਡ ਆ ਉਹ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੇ ਰਿਕਵਰ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਆ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ 3 ਸਾਥੀ ਹੋਰ ਆ। ਇਹਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਲੌਜਿਸਟਿਕਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਲੋਕਲ ਤੇ 2 ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਫਰਦਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇੰਟੈਲੀਜੈਂਸ ਏਜੰਸੀਜ਼ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਇਨ ਟੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ ਲਈ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਬਹੁਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ ਕੈਮਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਵੈਸੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਫੰਡਸ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸੌਖਾ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ।
Mentangin ya pai shiki kubor ya lekai. Ka East Khasi Hills kalalong kaladu ha kalempung yelek kai state level inter-school athletic meet arajar apunriu kabala penlong hasai shillong ha kaba kiken huan yelek kai kiken thei bat shinrang kilayo ya ka jingjam ha kalyang kiken thei ka East Khasi Hills kalapoi ha ka kerdan ka bah kli du bat yo khur hinyo pu pra point kat ba na kalyang kishinrang kilayo san pu hinyo point ha kani ke jing lek kai ka balai skilenter la yo I ya ke jing shimbanta komba khandai spangut kinong lek kai na keleng ki khat artri ki district ha ka ba menteri katanat sports uba wailat miki shila ulaya don lang ha kani ke singi pen kun kinong jap ki lapan pau ba kani ke lempung ka aimen sim bakin bu thong sha ki jing khun ki ba kham shalor ha ki por ki ban sawan.
You are today standing there in front of us. You should be proud of yourself, because by standing here today, that means you have proven something, that you are a fighter, you are an athlete who are eager to bring laurels to your family, to your village, to your school, to your district, and I'm hopeful that you'll bring laurels to your state and the country. So a big round of applause to all of you standing here today.
Temen tapat ini pet ya kejing long jing man kesuin beneng hakeleng ke benta jong gejela. Hatura kajing kreat kalong arpulai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong lipaway degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau kalong 100% na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong iway point san millimeter. Habapai pat shalong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpusau degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau kalong prapaway na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong pra point khandai millimeter. Kat ba hajawai kajing kreat kalong arpo degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpusau degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahau kalong nyopo khandai na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong r point millimeter. Kasin beneng kandum lo bat kala bandon kajing hap slap hatura shilong bat jawai. Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jang ka thup khubor ngine pet biang sa shisin yakimat bakongsan. Pediang snobha usembut Menteri Rangba Gejala uba sniaw halangdhar yakibakwa ban wan yakun election na natim. Kajing penmi khau ha gejala kalong kababyang wat hapdeng gejingkala kamaryang ong umentri karep karyang utimoti di Shira. Lapen sange no ya ka public hearing chongka Shri Simen na gejing yaki persha ha East China Hills. Bat penlong jingakren u Menteri Rangba du kavi u Narendra Modi bat u Presiden ka Cyprus u Nikos Christodoulides ha New Delhi. Te paralok tu nila poisha ka bakut jong ka thup kubo jingi menta ka chanmiet hadu banginde shembyang bat phila shai ka si khublei phi baro.